Hey guys, Sak here from sakitech, and in today's video we have some insane news in relation to the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. We have real, live, hands-on videos for the S26 Ultra. So apparently this guy that has a presence on Twitter and Instagram, his name is Sahil, he went to Dubai and he purchased a Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra for 12,000 dirhams. So let's see how much that cost him in US dollars. So that's going to be $3,267.53. That's insane. So he went there, he got the phone, and we now have live hands-on videos. Let's take a look at what's going on here. So first and foremost, he has a bunch of videos comparing it to the iPhone 17 Pro Max, the Vivo X300, and an S25 Ultra, a broken one. But then he starts posting these videos. So here's a video of the privacy display feature that is going to be exclusive to the S26 series. And you can see once he turned on the feature and he looked at the phone from the side, you cannot see what is on the display. And that is the privacy display feature that we've been talking about on this channel. Real quick guys, if you want to buy the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra on the release date on the 25th, not for 12,000 dirhams, but for the regular price, make sure to reserve it using the link down below. There's only 2 days left for the release. All you do is put your name, last name, email, and click reserve. And you can see right over here, you will get $30 in Samsung credit and also up to $900 in additional savings, as well as a chance to win a $5,000 Samsung giveaway. So that link is down below. There is also a second link down below that you can click and bookmark. That's going to be the page where the S26 Ultra is going to appear the moment it is available for sale. Due to high demand, some models are going to sell fast. So by bookmarking the sales page, you're going to guarantee instant access. That is link number 2. And then he runs a Geekbench benchmarking score, single core score 3,648, multi-core score 10,898. That is actually better than the iPhone 17 Pro Max. So it's going to be a powerful device. There's no question about that. And all this is real. This is the S26 Ultra. It's the real deal. And of course, it is running the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 Elite processor. And then he has a short little video of just putting the S Pen into the chassis of the device. So we do have the S Pen, but then he makes another video where he shows that the S Pen, he confirms that the S Pen does not have Bluetooth functionality. Some people were expecting this to come back. It was removed with the S25 series, but it's not back. So it's gone, and I'm pretty sure it is gone permanently for the upcoming models as well, next year and the year after. But there is an S Pen. It simply is not a Bluetooth compatible S Pen. So yeah, we have a whole bunch of videos, and of course it's great to see it before it gets released. It's all in white color. This is my favorite color probably. This is the color I'm gonna get most likely, either this or the light blue color. But yeah, that's it. So I want to make a quick video showing you guys what is going on. Guys, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below. Let me know. And for now, have a fantastic day, all right?